So you now kumwayo. Okay? Ekisooka nsaba abakunvinyize this meeting. It is for us abanya yeze mateeko yoyo abasinga bapita yoyo. Yeah. Ekisooka nsaba kigenda out to you the convenience of this meeting. Ensonga gyetuliko eri very sensitive. Okutegeera. So okugeza kwange ensonga esooka ngamba nti for us to have a constructive consultative meeting for this law, we suggest the two guys can contact all the associations and raise these associations will individually at least pick 5 or 10 representatives. Ustegeera. Either than okubeera wano abantu abamu ensonga sebongera ku substitute radio tekina kiyamba muteeka. And you guys seems like there is no practice. Bali wano batusekerera. We're acting like fools. Ustegeera. So we are informed people. We are saying, please, you need to have a constructive consultative meeting. Mulonde abantu okugeza nga ku kintu kya CMOs. Nsenga omusikkirizaganya bakole CMO endala mukirabyeko. Eno gavumenti enyumirwa nnyo baaluse yawuse. So you want us to give us mandate ekyaliko okutondawo eno n'eno. On that point, nja kukuba omusumaali nga gugenda straight to operation world creation. Fami kusaba lekerawo okutwawulayawula. Lekerawo. Go forming Human association, an association, a federation, me, I'm not thanking you. I'm saying, please, I want a representative operation with creation. Human, you want to take part in legal. I don't know. Now operation with creation.
We want to say creator.
Yeah.
So, they are in that capacity as a creator.
Creator?
Yes.
Then akasemba yo kagenda to URSP. Yes. Chenanga dobla muteka. Namba URSP man. Mukola kinene ate okudisi functioning DCMOs. Bogenda n'obuchaka tugambe for example kuba URSP yakutamba URSP yatumaba enforcement. Yes, remember. So why? So tulegeza amateeka gano n'agabattewo olene mu bubi bwago. So the problem is the lack of political will. To them at this time, please, political will. Thank you.
Thank you. Now,